We know for us to get to the next level of technology, we have to work together as a group because Flux isn't going to do it on themselves. Akash, ICP, whatever other products that are Web3 based products. It's going to be basically this hybrid of all of these projects working together. And I'll even go as far as to say what we're starting to do is to hold accountability to Web2 as well. Because as we build our infrastructure, they're going to understand, one, they can't charge exorbitant, almost hostage-like prices for VPS products anymore. So we've partnered with Lumen, OVH, other major players in Web2. Why did we do that? Because they're forward thinking, and we don't look to necessarily supplant Web2. We look to augment Web2. When you had on-prem, everything was on-prem. All the servers were there, data lakes. I had, my data centers all over the place. And then along comes Web2. And, oh, wait a minute, a cloud. Where's the cloud? What is the cloud? Where's it located? Can I see it? Can I feel it? Can I touch it? And it took a period of time for people to start really warming up to the idea of allowing someone else to basically host their data. So now we're on the precipice of Web3, and forward-thinking Web2 companies like a Lumen, like an OVH, understand that they can align themselves with Web3, and now they can provide both products to their customers. So, there'll be a time when you onboard with Flux, and it's going to ask, hey, would you like to deploy some of this in Web2 and then load balance to Web3? Or would you like to deploy everything in Web2 or Web3? I think as long as we don't have to change our ethos or our focus on decentralization, scalability, freedom of data, so on and so forth, we're more than willing to work with anyone out there in the space. Maybe not Amazon, or maybe not Google, but you know what I mean.
No, absolutely. I think it's essential, frankly. We need bridges from Web 2 to Web 3 because Web 2 is where all of the people are. And they're not just going to sort of magically appear. It's not an if you build it, they will come, because they have to find their way over there. And it has to be as easy as Web 2 right now. It can't be as complex as it is right now.